Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can delete our Snapchat account permanently. So for that you need to open up your Snapchat, then go to your profile, and in your profile you will be able to see the settings option on the top right hand side. Then just click on it, and under your settings just scroll down, and under the support section you will be able to find this option of I need help. Just click on it, wait for it to load, and here you will find this option of managing my account. Just click on it. Then you will find this option of delete or reactivate my account. Select it, then select how do I delete my Snapchat account. Here scroll down and you will find this option of accounts portal over here. Just click on it, and after that all you have to do is just provide the password of your account and your account will be deleted. And you can go through the other details also over here, like you will be able to recover or reactivate your account within 30 days from doing or deleting this account. So just go through all of this, and this is how you delete your Snapchat account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.